All right, like the heat isn't bad enough, another issue that we have seen and tend to see here in the Midlands, flooding, especially over the last decade. But News 19's meteorologist Cory explores if this is typical for this area and what we can expect for the future when it comes to flooding here in the Midlands.
From Kentucky to the desert Southwest and even here in the Midlands, flooding can be a very common occurrence. Looking back at our history, we can see how often heavy rain can affect our area, but also take a look at the future as well. In 1908, flooding in Columbia saw the Cory River crest up to what is now the Gervais Street Bridge. State climatologist Hope Mizell says these types of flooding events occur here in the Midlands, but they don't happen regularly.
We'll see 2 to 3 significant river floods within 1 decade. And then we may go 15 years where we don't see a significant river flood.
Over the past 10 years, flooding events like the 2015 flood, Hurricane Matthew in 2016, and Florence in 2018 have all fallen into this category. Flash flooding, while not as widespread as these events, is what we typically deal with when it comes to flooding, especially in the warmer months. Let's talk about a location like here on Whaley Street, which often floods during the summer months when we get heavy rainfall. Looking at future climate trends, we could see more widespread heavy rainfall events, which could lead to more flooding like we see here in Columbia. A warmer atmosphere can contain more water, which in theory will lead to more heavy rain. While we can't prove that for sure quite yet, we have seen an increase in our wettest stretches.
The multi-day rainfall events, what I mean by that is your 2-day, 3-day, 4-day rainfall events. What we've experienced since 2015 with those multi-day rainfall events have been higher than we can document any other time in the 100-year plus period of record.
From Columbia, News 19 meteorologist Cory Smith.